but certainly difficult to our body. So my suggestion is that you should doing this short and explosive sprint interval training. So this exercise takes less calories, almost 60 kilocalories of our energy, very little as you think. But this is effective because this burning all of our ATP, not using our fat, but using our energy, and then our insulin receptor ability is increased. At that time, our body state is more better. So day by day, you doing this short and explosive exercise, your visceral fat will decrease, and you become more healthier, and your snoring will disappear. So please do sprint interval training and take a good sleep in your life. Thanks for watching.